Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover or restore deleted Instagram messages and chats. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open your Instagram and logged in your Instagram account here. And once you have logged it in, please proceed at the left side of the screen where you can see a list of the option. Click on more to continue. The moment you have to click on it, you need to scroll up and click on settings. And here at the settings window, you need to look for look for in this row, look here in this row and proceed with account center. And there you can see more in account center. So tap on it to continue. And once you have opened your account center, please proceed at the left side of it. You can see their account settings. Go with your information and permissions. So click on it. And the moment you have click on it, you'd be able to see your information and permission sections where it has this list of the options. You need to proceed with download your information. Tap on it. And here in this window, you would be able to see download your information. So this information includes things you've shared, your activity, and things we've collected. So click on download or transfer information, click on it, and here it asks you what information do you want. So it could be all available information and it may take longer to download and it also go with some of your information. Since we'll be recovering or restoring only the messages, then we need to proceed with some of your information to choose for your selected information that you want to restore or collect with. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and go with messages. So click on it. And the moment you have to click on it, click on next. And here, what do you want to do with your information? So it asks you to download to device or transfer to destination. Proceed with download to device, tap on it. And here, it will ask you to create files to download. So it asks you the date range. So it could be last week if you want to download the messages that you have sent or created last week. And they can also go with last month if you want to go with it. You can also restore your messages or chats from last 3 months or even last 6 months, last year, or last 3 years. Okay? So let's say, for example, you want to recover the or restore the messages that you have created or sent last month. So select on last month, and once you have selected it, click on saved. Okay? And here it will ask you to please pick a delivery method. So click on it. And here, all you need to do is you need to type the email address that you have so that they will send you the information, the messages and chats that you have created last month in the Instagram. Okay, so just have to type the email that you want to go with. So let's say, for example, how to fix at gmail.com. So all you need to do is you need to click on saved to continue. Okay. So in your case, you have to do such. Then with the moment you have click on it, this create files would be available. Just have to click on it to create files and wait until they will notify you or they will send you the messages and chats that you have created or sent last month here in the Instagram. Okay. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.